What up, Cardano holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I am present with the latest update of Cardano. So, my friends, what's going on this time? A lot of people ask me question that when will the price of Cardano Ada increase? So, finally, friends, in this video, I decided a good news for all of you. Please keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's start the video, friends, and let's see the latest update of the Cardano Ada, my friends. Now, my friends, you can see here if you look the latest price of Cardano, so the latest price is 1.83 USD dollar. On the other side, if you look the Bitcoin BTC price of Cardano, so 0.00004725 Bitcoin is the currently price of the Cardano Ada. On the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occurring this time in a Cardano, so you can see here last 1 hour pricing is 0.12%, 24 hours pricing is 1.99%, last 1 week pricing is 7.1%. Absolutely, my friends, at this time the whole change is going positive in Cardano, my friends. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Cardano. Anyways, leave it. Let's see the price chart, what's going on this time in the price chart of the Cardano. You can see, my friends, that is the previous last 1 week, I think last 1 week price chart you are watching here. So at this time the Cardano absolutely going upward. You can see here at this time they start moving upward, my friends. As you know, it is the first June, it is the first week of June, and in the end of first week, there's a lot of chances to take a huge jump. That is why I suggest for everyone that on the 6th June, get ready for 6th June. On the 6th June, Cardano will take a huge jump. Be ready and buy more and more if you want profit. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.